Have you ever been asked what's your favorite holiday? There's many options like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, or Easter, but when I get asked that question, I always say Christmas. All the presents you could ask for, the majestic food, and the breathtaking dessert. I mean, how couldn't you like Christmas? My favorite dessert for Christmas is by far the Dr. Pepper snowballs. The rich taste of Dr. Pepper, the amazing amount of sugar, and it all adds up to one great, splendid, impressive dessert. Today I'm going to show you how to make this awesome dessert, the Dr. Pepper snowballs. You won't regret making this dessert. So for step one, you'll need to gather the ingredients. You'll need 2 mixing bowls, measuring cups, aluminum foil or wax paper, it really doesn't matter. And then for the snowball ingredients, you'll need a cup of finely chopped pecans, 3½ cups of crumbled down wafers, a half a cup of Dr. Pepper, a half a cup of powdered sugar, and a 1/4 of a cup of melted margarine. And then for the icing, you'll need 2 tablespoons of melted margarine, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/3 of a cup of Dr. Pepper, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. And then for the decorating, you can have coconut. So for step 2, mix the snowball ingredients. So just mix them in a mixing bowl. So, and then like that. And usually the solid stuff comes first, but I don't think it really matters that much. So you're just gonna mix it and really mix it well because it matters a lot. And just mix it real good. So it should look like a little bit like that one. Then once you mixed it like this, you're gonna add your Dr. Pepper, like that, and then just mix it to where it gets good in there. And it should look a little bit like that. So after you mix the snowball ingredients, you're gonna mix the icing ingredients, and then just put all the stuff in there. It's a lot of sugar. And then like that. Yeah, you got a lot of sugar in this. So just mix it real good in there. And then once you're done, it should look a little bit, once I get this white stuff in, it should look a little bit like that. So once you're done mixing the ingredients in step 2, you'll need the snowball ingredients, and you'll need to put them into very small balls. And I forgot to mention this in step 1, but you'll also need a whisk and a cookie scooper, or you can just roll it, it really doesn't matter, but it's easier to do like this. And then so you're just going to get your snowball ingredients, and you're going to do that, and then you're just going to put them on that like I've already done, multiple of these, and then just like that. Step 4, you'll need your icing ingredients, and then when you're done with these, you're just going to dip these in the icing. And my hands are clean, by the way, so it's okay. And then just like that. And then do it over and over again. And you don't gotta drown it. You just want to do it a little bit. So just like that. And I'm only gonna do it for 1 row because it's a lot of time. It's probably boring. So for the next step, you'll need the coconut and some aluminum foil or wax paper to put on this. And so you're gonna spread out your coconut on the new wax paper and just get it all over. And it really doesn't matter how much you use because you're not really gonna use all this. So you can use a little. So after that, you're going to roll these and just smear them all over in coconut like this. And then just do it all the way. But you really gotta do a lot of coconut. You don't want to just do a little because it makes it taste way better. And then also, you want to put in the coconut while it's like wet with the icing, because it will stick more if it's wet, like more than it sticks when it's dry. So I'm only gonna do it for one. And it's like that. So once you do the coconut and it looks like this, you're gonna put it in the freezer, and that's your final product. So once you put it in the freezer, like I've done, this is your final product. And oh, it's good. So now that you've heard about this really easy but magnificent dessert, why not go out and make this spectacular treat for Christmas? I bet it'll change your decision on your favorite holiday from Thanksgiving or Halloween to Christmas. You won't regret making this dessert.